The inspiration for this one actually came from the zinnia flowers around the front entrance of my parents' house in Japan. And zinnias are wonderful, especially during the summer. They keep growing, looking towards the skies. And I wanted to incorporate that vibrant summer feeling in this drawing by having the different shades of blue, like depicting the sky. Another elements that I used to tie everything together is this Keiko patterns. Those are a representative of tortoise shells. In Japanese culture, tortoise has a strong symbolic meaning, and it is for longevity. And because my mother's memory stays with me forever, I want to honor her in that way as well. The simple color combination in this drawing, and I think the zinnia flower looks more realistic, although it has the essence of the form, and then against the blue sky, and so that's when it started coming together.